This 2019 Coachmen Clipper Ultra-Lite Single-Axle 17 FQS Ultra-Lite is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Coachman is 21 feet 4 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, water heater, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, slide-out, leveling jacks, awning, skylight, stove top burner, and 33 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Coachman Clipper Ultra-Lite Single-Axle 17 FQS Ultra-Lite is 3,277 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.